Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to UTECHPIA. Check this out. I can write in the screen. That's pretty awesome, right? I did all this for under 100 bucks. In this video, I'll show you what I bought, where I bought them, and how you can do this for under 100 bucks as well. I bought all the parts from Home Depot, but you can get similar parts from Amazon.com. I'll leave links in the description below. At Home Depot, I found this piece of plexiglass, which is also known as acrylic sheets. This sheet is 24 inches by 48 inches, and it's 0.22 inches thick. This one costs $71.98. And then I got 4 Husky 1-inch C-clamps. They were $1.97 each for a total of $7.88 for 4 of them. I also picked up 4 11-inch shelving brackets. These were $3.65 each for a total of $14.60. And that's all I needed. To assemble everything, I put gaffers tape on the shelving brackets. I put it on the side that will be touching the plexiglass. This is to avoid scratching it up. Next, I simply raised up the plexiglass and attach the brackets with C-clamps. Notice that the brackets don't even need to be attached to the table. Finally, I removed the protective cover on both sides of the plexiglass and we're done. That's all there is to it. So this is pretty much the setup. You can see there's glare on the glass here, but that's why we have a polarizer filter on the camera. You see right now, there's some glare, but if I turn the polarizer filter just the right angle, you get rid of all the glare, and that's a big difference. Alright, so the way it works is we have a main light here. This is the key light, and it bounces off the wall here, and it does a little bit of the fill as well. And then we have a backlight here, which lights the background and gives me some separation. Let's turn on our autofocus so we are focused and tack sharp. And that's pretty much the setup. And then I can just start writing right here. And depending on how you want to frame it, you can get a wider shot or a tighter shot. And right now, it's a decent amount. I have this much space to work with. So with this setup, I have a little desk here. I can put my notes here. I have a mouse, which I can control my on-screen camera settings from this position right here. I can change the aperture, change the shutter, start and stop the recording, take a picture, everything. This is like my control panel right here, and all I need is this mouse. So let's test it out. Let's see how the writing looks. All right, I got some markers. Let's test this out and see how it works. I got some bold colors because with this setup, we have a brighter background. Let's try black first. All right, so the area we have to work with is right around here. Let's just write. Okay, so one thing I noticed right away is I need to stabilize the board because it shakes a little bit. Since this is plexiglass, there's a little bit of movement and I really need to frame it up to make it solid. But this is looking pretty good. I have a whiteboard. Let's see how the other colors look. We got blue. So blue isn't as good. I can tell right off the bat it's much harder to read. Let's try green. Yeah, not so good at all, huh? Alright, let's see if red's any good. Nope. Red's almost useless. So black is our winner here. Black works out pretty good. I wanted a whiteboard with some black text and a white clear background. But the problem is the white background is blowing out the text. Let's try to dial down the background. And yeah, that makes it look a little bit better. And also, if I'm closer to the board, which means it's gonna focus on my face, the writing is also a little bit better. But again, I think black is the only color that's gonna work out for us. For our next video, we're gonna make this even better. We're gonna make the background black and we're gonna add LEDs around this panel, making this a light board. And then we're gonna change our markers to some neon markers, and when you write with the neon markers, it will emit the light where you write. So it's really cool, especially with the dark background. There's gonna be huge contrast. Ultimately, I wanted a lighter background, but I might have to go with a darker background because this is a little bit hard to read, except for the black, which if I write everything in black, it should be good. So yeah, bullet point here, bullet point here, bullet point here, underline, you know, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, but black is really the only color. And I still don't get my super bright white background because normally I like to wash out the background like that. With the background all washed out like that, the writing is quite a bit lighter. And let's see how we can improve this. Alright, well that's it for now until I get more equipment. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this setup in the comments below. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hey! Hello? Are you still there? Oh, there you are. I see you. Thanks for sticking around. Well, if you want to see more videos, check out these. And yeah, these are pretty interesting videos. I hope you like them. And thanks again for watching. I totally appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Well, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye.